leaves keep burning, the smoke fills our throats.
Wading in the water, I've been drifting out to sea. You see my vibrancy's been alive within me, floating in the day. But highs inside these eyes, I seem to glisten while they wait. Losing sleep as this reality is taking over me. And you must be mistaken if you think you're truly free.
Hey guys, and welcome back to Half Baked Hair Reviews. I'm Angelique. If you're returning, as always, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're new to this channel, just make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload old units, new units, everyday slays, wig updates, and everything in between. So today, I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. So I'm going to be giving you an update of this unit, the Outre Neesha 203 in the color number 2 that I've been wearing for a week. And I'm just going to show you guys the way that I maintained this unit as well as the way I maintain all of my units for so long. And I just wanted to show you, this is how it looks with no manipulation. I haven't added any product or anything to it. I haven't added any heat to it. So it is still looking lively. And first off, let me say, if you're questioning about getting this unit, get it, honey. This is a week. Like, look at the flow and everything that I'm giving you. This is like a $30 everyday, simple, affordable, beautiful sleigh. It is 100% worth it. I don't honestly even need to literally add any heat or product to it, but I just wanted to do it on camera so I can give you guys an idea of the way that I maintain my units. A couple of the products that I use with all of my units, I'm just going to show you them. So one of my biggest go-tos, I feel like works so well, especially with curly units, is my leave-in conditioner. So this is just one of the many that I've used. This is from African Pride. It's coconut milk and honey hydrate and shine leave-in conditioner. So this is one of the products that I use a lot of. Kind of doesn't really matter what leave-in conditioner I pick. And then I use this curl defying conditioner and detangler. Even though this is mostly for like curly units, I will use it on just any of my synthetic units, period. And then my holy grail go-to product for absolutely anything and everything is 100% foaming mousse. And it doesn't have to be this particular brand. It just helps you sort of maintain those strayaways. It helps you lay down your baby hairs. It helps your unit get more life and bounce. Like, I feel like foaming mousse is just the absolute go-to for me for anything and everything. So I don't put them on in any particular order. So pretty much this is just what I'll do. And just like I said, this is already holding up pretty well, so it's not even really like I need these on this, but I just want to show you what it looks like when you put it in there. So that was just the leave-in conditioner, and then now I'm going to be going in with a little bit of the Curl and Wavy Curl Defining Conditioner and Detangler. And I'll just spray it on my hands, and then just sort of rub it into my hair. And definitely make sure you get those ends as well, because those are always the first parts to dry out. I don't really go through and drench it. I sort of just spritz it up a little bit. And then last but not least, I'm going to go in with the foaming mousse, and same thing. And as you can see, that is giving you life. No? Yeah, so regardless of the curl pattern, you can use these products with any of the units and it will always come out the same every time. I use it with every curl pattern and it has never failed me. So after I'm done doing that, normally what I'll do to like wrap it up at night or whatever is I'll just put it in a ponytail. And then I'll twist it up into a bun. This technique is definitely helpful too with curly hair, just so that you don't really have to deal with all that tangling and shedding. So I'll just tightly twist it like this. And then wrap it around into a bun. And then I'll grab another ponytail holder just to secure the bun. So now that I have it in the bun, the only thing left to do is to just put on my wrap. And I usually will use one of two. I've been using one of my bonnets that I got from Just the Dragoness's website, which I'm living for. It's an extra large, so it has plenty of room if you have a lot of hair under there. But in the past, I was using this, my silk wrap, pretty often. And sometimes, like, if you're feeling If you want that extra security, you can always double wrap it, which I have done sometimes. So I'll just show you how I wrap it if I was going to use a wrap like this. So it's nothing special, just go over like this. Then I'll cross it in the back so that it goes over the bun. Then bring it back up to the front and just tie it in a little bow. So it's just as easy as that. And then just like I said, if you want the double security, you can just go in and take your bonnet and just put it over this. There's kind of like a bit showing here, which you kind of can just pull down and hide. But if you didn't want to do that, you can just put another bonnet on over it and you're good to go. So let me also just show you it with just the bonnet and not the wrap. And that's literally it. That's my nightly routine. And it's pretty simple. It does not take long at all. It'll probably take you like, at most, I'll say 10 to 15 minutes. But it's not a super intense process. It's pretty easy, it's pretty simple and quick, and you definitely will get the result that you're looking for if you're trying to maintain your style for longer. And I definitely would suggest the silk wrap if you want to lay your baby hairs and stuff down before you go to sleep and you want them to kind of more so be like that when you wake up. The bonnet, since it's sort of loose and moves around a little bit, your baby hairs won't look the same in the morning, but I feel like that's probably the only downside of that, and it doesn't really take me too long to do mine in the morning, so I don't really mind just wearing the bonnet. But just like I said, after a week of wearing this, I didn't put anything into it until now, and look, it's just like back to normal. So that was definitely just an easy little way that you guys can get some longer lives out of your units with minimal work and minimal cost. And no heat. No heat. Yes. But that's pretty much all I have to say. I hope this was helpful to you guys. Let me know if there's anything else you want to know. Let me know if you tried any of this, if it was helpful to you or not. Let me know in the comments below. And until then, I hope to see you soon. Bye.